Welcome to XBA, Xander Bryan Adventures.
All right, guys, today riding in a new rock climber. Got this big 5-point harness I gotta strap into. I don't know that I'm gonna worry about, let's see, between the crotch over the arm. Crotch, other arm. And lock me in. Oh, let's get ready for this roller coaster. Oh crap, can't get the... I'm also gonna try to have the drone do active track. I'm not really good at that yet, but there's only one way to get good. Practice makes perfect. So, initial GoPro light, listen to me. Initial GoPro video, and initial active track. In here, got my helmet on so I don't bump my head. All right, let's get this party started. check out this footage.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content from Xander and Bryan Adventures, and ring that bell so you'll get a notification when I release a new video.